Hey y'all, today on Southern Hood, we're going to be cooking up some redfish scampi. Stick around, check it out. It's going to be good. Alright, well yesterday, Larkin caught a redfish. If you haven't seen it, go check that video out.
Larkin, woo! Bring him back here, dude.
Make it even. I cannot get higher.
Oh yeah. Nice one.
So I had one redfish, so I was thinking about what I can do with it. So I was gonna make some redfish scampi. So I don't know how everybody else makes it, but this is how I make it. So I went out to my garden, got me some green onions, got me some mushrooms, got some Zatarain's crab boil, got butter, minced garlic. I wish I had some heavy whipping cream, but all I have is some half and half. So, got my redfish here. I want to get that cut up. First off, one of the key ingredients is bacon. Oh yeah. So, getting the bacon cooking up in the pan, we're going to get these onions and mushrooms all cut up. Then we're going to get that in the pan, and then we're going to get it all rocking and rolling here. Alright, so right now, got my onions and mushrooms, bacon, and butter sauteing up in the pan. You can get that going here. Get my water boiling over here for my angel hair pasta. Aha, there we go. Alright, so we're going to get that going here. Sauteing all this stuff up. Then I'm going to get my fish cut up here. Get it ready to add to the pan. And after that, we'll get the heavy whipping, the half and half going. And yeah, getting tasting right. Alright, well I'm just going to get my fish cut up here. Cut this bone section out. I can fry that up. It's still good. Fish chopped up in little bite-sized pieces. Been nice to have 2 or 3 more redfish, but one's all I got, so I'm trying to stretch it out. So mixing it with some mushrooms and onions and putting over some angel hair pasta. It's a good way to make one decent-sized redfish stretch. Alright, got my redfish here. Drop that in here in the pan. Get this sauteing up. Try to heat up a little bit. Yeah. Alright, get that going. Let it cook for a little bit. Not too long because it's fish. Shouldn't take very long. About to drop my angel hair pasta in the water there. Let this cook for a little bit, then we're going to add our, well, should be heavy whipping cream, but it's just going to be half and half. So let's see. Oh yeah. That is smelling really good. Garlic, onions, mushrooms, redfish, a little bit of Tony's. All secret ingredients that everybody knows about. Get my angel hair pasta cooking here. Alright, just gonna add my little bit of half and half in here. Sauteing up, I put a little extra butter in there because you can't ever have much better. That's my theory. So, it's cooking down a little bit while I got my pasta boiling over here. Alright, be ready in just a little bit. Alrighty, one thing I always use this kind of stuff, a little bit of crab boil. And you know, everyone's going to ask, well, how much I should put this and that. I don't really have any measurements. I just put a little bit in, taste it, let it cook for a little while. Same thing with my Tonys. I always cook with my Tonys. You know, just put a little bit in, taste it, put a little salt in, let it cook down for a little while, see how it's tasting, then decide whether you want to add a little bit more if it's too spicy or if it's just right. So that's kind of the way I work things. I never have a specific ingredient level. Just add a little bit, taste it, add a little more.
Not bad. Might be right on, in fact.
Alright. Put a little bit of this redfish scampi over this angel hair pasta. Try it out. How is it, man?
Pretty good.
Hey y'all, hope you liked the video, gave you a little idea of what you can do with some redfish there. Hey, thanks again for watching. Do me a favor and hit subscribe and like the video. And remember, it's just better down here, y'all. Hey y'all, do me a favor and go to thesouthernhood.com and check out all my shirts, hats, and other products I've got online for sale. Hey, I appreciate it. And remember, it's just better down here, y'all.